Have you ever been stranded on the side of the road because your engine overheated? Or wondered why some cars run efficiently while others waste fuel and struggle with power loss? Well, the secret lies in engine thermal management. Today, I will tell you how advanced thermal management systems keep your engine at peak performance, increase fuel efficiency, and extend its lifespan. I know what you are thinking. You are wrong, trust me, this isn't just about radiators and fans. Modern engines use cutting-edge technology to stay cool. But before we get started, tell us in the comments, have you ever experienced an overheating engine? What happened? Alright, it is time, let's break down how these high-tech cooling systems are revolutionizing the way engines perform. First, let's talk about why engine thermal management is so important. Engines generate a ton of heat due to combustion. In fact, about 70% of the energy from fuel is lost as heat. If we don't control this heat properly, it can lead to checkmark power loss, checkmark increased fuel consumption, checkmark engine wear and tear, checkmark complete breakdowns, and worst of all, heat is the #1 enemy of engine components. That's why manufacturers have developed smart cooling strategies to keep engines running at just the right temperature. Now, here's a question for you. Did you know that some cars adjust their cooling systems based on how fast you're driving? Stick around, because we're about to reveal how these smart systems work. 1. Electric water pumps. Older engines rely on a mechanical water pump that runs all the time, even when it's not needed. But electric water pumps, they adjust the flow based on the engine's temperature, reducing power loss and improving efficiency. Question for you, would you replace your traditional pump with an electric one? Let us know in the comments. 2. Dual circuit cooling systems. High-performance engines and hybrid cars use dual circuit cooling, where different parts of the engine get separate cooling flows. This means, checkmark faster warm-ups in cold weather, checkmark better cooling for high-performance driving, checkmark less wear and tear on engine components. If you drive a turbocharged car, this system is a game changer. Most people don't think much about engine coolant, but coolant technology has come a long way. Newer coolants are designed to last longer, prevent corrosion, and even adapt to extreme temperatures. Some high-performance coolants can handle over 300 degrees Fahrenheit without boiling. But here's the real kicker. Electric vehicles (EVs) are pushing coolant technology even further. Speaking of EVs, did you know that battery thermal management is just as important as engine cooling? EVs use liquid cooling systems to keep their battery packs at the perfect temperature. If a battery overheats, it can lead to reduced range, lower performance, even battery fires. That's why companies like Tesla, Rivian, and Lucid Motors invest heavily in advanced cooling strategies to keep their EVs running safely and efficiently. Would you ever consider buying an EV? Drop a comment below. So, what does the future of thermal management look like? AI-controlled cooling, smart computers that predict when and where cooling is needed. Phase change materials (PCMs), special materials that absorb heat and release it when needed. Nano-fluid coolants, high-tech coolants that conduct heat 10x better than traditional ones. With these advancements, future engines and batteries will be cooler, more efficient, and more powerful than ever before. Alright, that wraps up our deep dive into advanced engine thermal management. Now, let's hear from you. Have you ever dealt with an overheating engine? Would you upgrade your car's cooling system? Are you excited about the future of thermal management? Drop your answers in the comments, hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert car content. And if you want more videos on engine performance and maintenance, check out our playlist right here. Thanks for watching, and stay cool out there.